We interrupt this program to bring you a safety message sponsored by the Federal Bureau of Technology.
Many dangerous hazards can be controlled at the source. When such measures are not possible, personal protective equipment, or PPE, is necessary. In this video, you will learn the proper way to use PPE and why it is important. We will be demonstrating this video today with these two people. One is Robert, a man of such high intellect that he was able to learn the safeties and proper uses of PPE. And here we have Johnny, a man whose IQ is the size of a peanut.
Hey! PPE for hearing.
Excessive noise can cause you to feel nauseous or sick. Prolonged exposure could cause aggression, hypertension, or permanent hearing loss. If you work in a loud environment, you need to wear earplugs or ear muffs to protect your ears from being damaged. Here, Robert is using a loud machine, so he is wearing correct PPE, which are a pair of ear muffs. Robert is safe, and it's good to continue working. Poor Johnny. He is not using any of the ear protection he needs to be safe. Don't be like Johnny. Never forget to wear your earplugs or earmuffs when using loud equipment.
PPE for lungs.
There are certain occupations that deal with harmful fumes and air pollutants. These small dangers can potentially harm your lungs and make it difficult to breathe. When working these types of jobs, it is best to wear protection that is designed for your lungs, such as masks and respirators. Here, Robert has put on a mask in order to protect himself from the harmful fumes emitted after he just painted the walls. Johnny, on the other hand, has just passed out from the fumes inhaled.
PPE for legs and feet.
There are possibilities that puncture wounds or any other flying sparks and debris would occur around the feet and legs. Shin guards, steel-toed shoes, and foot guards are the best way to go when countering the situation. Now, Robert is able to make any safety for the sake of his own 2 feet with the use of foot guards near a welding area or a foundry. Johnny, on the other hand, carelessly puts on without any kind of foot protection at all.
Oh! Ow! Dang it! PPE for body and hands.
Chemicals are needed to be handled with care or spills that would make caustic burns in the skin, which is why there are hand gloves, finger guards, and arm coverings for the needs of safety. Here we see Robert able to use the gloves from any other harmful chemicals that could damage their body. Johnny, on the other hand, didn't use the right equipment enough to protect himself from the other chemicals.
Then we do another scene, except this time she's wearing an apron and she does the same.
Oh, it burns! Oh! PPE for heads.
There are falling objects that can occur when entering in an engineering workplace. Here we see Robert wearing a hard hat to prevent these kinds of incidents without any harm being brought to him. Johnny, on the other hand, was careless enough to not put on his hard hat. Oh, Johnny.
Yes, narrator.
Did you put on your hard hat today?
I'm boycotting the project.
Ah! Oh my goodness, that wowie, that hurts. PPE for eye protection.
Your eyes are very sensitive and can be easily injured. PPE, such as safety glasses and face shields, protect your face and eyes from debris or any splashing chemicals. Here we see Robert correctly wearing his safety glasses while conducting his work. And Johnny, on the other hand, is not using the correct PPE and could potentially injure himself. These forms of PPE can be maintained from any situation that could result in a risk of your health and making any impacts that could ruin the entire factory into shambles. Be more like a Robert and less like a Johnny. Oh, Johnny, you and your silly shenanigans.